Hi, my name is Shigeru Kobayashi. I'm a sales agent at Ford Pampanga. So we are here now to explore the Ford next generation Ranger Wildtrak. So here at the front, so I'm gonna highlight the quite big air cooling system, which is the honeycomb grill, that it gives a very cooling ride, even in a long drive. From the lights, so we have the full HD LED headlight, and I just want to highlight the signature of the Ford, which is the C-clamp daytime running light, which is the one of our popular signature of Ford. And then the next one, so we have the LED headlight as well, which is the fog lamp. So from the engine, under the hood, we have the 6-speed automatic 2.0 single turbo diesel, and it gives you 170 horsepower. We have a very nice suspension, which is a double wishbone suspension that it gives you a comfort ride. And adding from that, we have the 18-inch alloy steel mags, and on this side we have the air vents, which is it helps additional from aerodynamic. The ground clearance, we have the 230 millimeter, and adding from that, it's equipped with a step board. On this side mirror, so we have the blind spot assist and additional signal light. And the last, we have the keyless entry, which is no need to push the remote to open the door. So just hold it and open it. So coming here at the back, you can get the very nice emblem, Wildtrack, and a Ford badge, and a back camera. And adding from that, we have the 4-sensor back camera that you can assist you even in the steep side of the parking. We have the full LED taillight and a step board that you can use to check your trunk. So inside the trunk, what you can get is a 1.2-ton load capacity, and adding from that, we have the 230-volt socket, and also the clipper of a camping shelf. From the driver's side door, so we can get the adjustment of our side mirrors. From the driver's seat, so we have the 8-way adjustment for the driver's seat. We have the lumbar as well, and fully synthetic leather that matches with the Wildtrack styling stitches. From the inside, so I'm very excited to discuss with you because it's very quite impressive, and it's a lot that you can get on the inside of the Ranger. So let's talk about it. Here at the steering wheel, so you get the cruise control, and the limiter, and the console of your cluster. Here at the infotainment, you get the 12 inches infotainment screen, which is touch screen. So coming here from the center, so you have the very nice armrest, and from this button you get the 4 modes that you can get: eco mode, slippery mode, tow haul, and normal. And adding from that, we have the traction control, and also the wireless charging that you can tap on only your phone, and a 2 cup holder. So for a Ford Ranger Wildtrak, so you can get this for as low as 1,624,000, and for in-house financing, you can get this for as low as 18,000 down payment. You can get the free era card assistant, which is a Laus group cares, 24/7 roadside assistant, and the upper optic tint, which is a very high heat rejection, umbrella, early warning device, spare tire, basic tools, and floor mats. And adding from that, we have the keychain. So again, I'm Shigeru Kobayashi, and for more inquiries, you can call me at 0920-906-7378, or you can visit our Facebook page, Ford Pampanga, and you can visit also our showroom at Olongapo Road, Jose Abad Santos Avenue, city of San Fernando. So here at Ford, you are built to win.